Today, we're checking out the top 5 Airbnbs to stay at when visiting the beautiful country of Portugal. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and comment saying I subscribed, and we will personally respond to your comment. All the links to each property will be in the description. Also, make sure to watch until the end. You are not going to want to miss out on how gorgeous the #1 Airbnb in Portugal is. Get ready for the trip of a lifetime, because Europe's most hip country, full of young, energetic people, is coming to the spotlight. From a deep-rooted history, extremely friendly people, and a slew of bustling tourist destinations, Portugal is often the first choice for many European travelers. The weather in this gorgeous country is one of comfort and sunny skies that makes outdoor activities possible year-round. Better yet, this is also one of the safest European countries, somehow being spared from the type of attacks that have affected other European cities like Paris and London. If you're looking for a destination that has a relatively slow and peaceful way of life that allows for amazing sightseeing and other tourism without the hustle and bustle of other countries, then Portugal is the place for you. But you're going to need a place to stay, and fortunately Portugal has some of the most exquisite homes in the world. Here are the top 5 Airbnbs to stay at when visiting Portugal. Number 5. Villa Vermont. Get ready for one of the most elegant, comfortable villas in all of Portugal. Situated right in the coveted Parque Atlântico area of Quinta do Lago, this massive 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom villa is just a short walk from nearby restaurants and beaches. Take a step inside to the massive open floor plan that spans 4,600 square feet of living spaces that have been furnished to the highest levels of comfort. From the large dining room that can fit all 8 guests for this home, to the fully equipped kitchen that takes modern comfort to the next level, there's no shortage of wonders in this home. Featuring, again, 4 large bedrooms that each boast either garden or mountain views. The ensuite bathrooms each bedroom has are both modern and spacious, featuring separate baths and showers. Just as the rest of the home, the bedrooms have been furnished to the highest level of comfort and have a modern feel. Step outside and you'll find a gorgeous, massive pool in the backyard, surrounded by large sun loungers and a massive green space behind that, perfect for any outdoor activity. While some of your guests may be soaking up the sun by the pool, you could also catch some of those rays while sitting on the home's beautiful back-facing terrace on the 2nd level. Overall, this is a perfect Airbnb for your next Portugal visit. You can book it for just $1,043 a night. Number 4. Villa Alegria. Get ready to experience contemporary luxury while sitting in the charming traditional beach town at Villa Alegria. This villa is located right on a cliff's edge, looking over the village of Salima. Here you can enjoy a sun-kissed, exciting holiday with up to 8 guests while you stay at this 4-bedroom luxury home. At every level, you'll find terraced enclosed gardens that boast unobstructed sea views. Up on the rooftop, enjoy the expansive outdoor living area that holds a large pool, lounging seats and dining areas, and even a barbecue for those summer festivities. Step inside and you'll find a wide range of top-of-the-line amenities, ranging from crystal-clear satellite TV to villa-wide Wi-Fi connectivity. Each of the 4 bedrooms at this villa have a king bed and an ensuite bathroom. Better yet, one of those has its own fireplace, and 2 share a terrace. Throughout the bedrooms, you'll find modern touches, cool tones, and exquisite detailing to make your nights all the more luxurious. You can book this stay for just $1,291 a night. Number 3. Villa Hibiscus. Ready for the best beachy getaway in all of Europe? Then Villa Hibiscus Beach House, situated right along the golden stretch of the Priya beach, is the listing for you. This listing is one of the more unique ones for the area, since it offers the luxury of an oceanfront location. Clocking in at 4 large bedrooms that feature vibrant, colorful interiors perfect for bringing over many guests, this villa takes a relaxing holiday to the next level. From watching the waves from a private terrace to taking a dip in the heated pool, or sitting poolside on any of the many loungers, there's no shortage of outdoor activities to take part in during your stay here. Step into the interiors to find the open concept living spaces and dining room that both feature breezy seating and even small touches like hand-carved Buddhas. Of course, there's a fully equipped modern kitchen that even has a stylish breakfast table painted bright turquoise. Overall, this is an amazing stay for up to 10 guests, with 5 bedrooms that hold 6 beds and 5.5 bathrooms. You can book it for $2,324 a night. Number 2. Casa de Santiago. If you're in the market for a deeper, more culturally rich experience, then this is the listing for you. With gorgeous views of the Castle of Santiago, this villa is probably one of the most unique listings in all of Portugal. This Airbnb is filled to the brim with rich antiques, floral wallpapers, and so much more to make your stay all the cozier. There are 7 massive bedrooms that hold 8 beds total that envelop you in that same feeling of coziness and serenity. Step into the living spaces and you'll find antique design furnishings and colorful accents throughout. You'll even find a massive, fully equipped kitchen filled with blue Delft tiles and copper pots. French door balconies throughout the home overlook the quaint village, and there is even a hand-painted mural that surrounds the dining room. Overall, if you're looking for a quaint home with character that still maintains touches of modern living in a massive space, this is the listing for you. You can book it for $2,552 a night. Number 1. Villa Priya. Where to begin? From traditional architectural style to chic interiors and of course gorgeous ocean views, Villa Priya is nothing short of a dream vacation spot. This villa is part of the Villa Vita Park Resort, which is known for its charming style and incredible fine dining accommodations. Better yet, this listing is in a prime location, just steps away from gorgeous beaches, golf courses, and so much more. Bring up to 8 guests on a beachy European getaway, or even use this gorgeous home for a honeymoon trip. The outdoor living spaces feature a beautiful oceanfront terrace with a hydrojet infinity pool that takes this villa to the next level of luxury. Of course, it's also equipped with loungers, a barbecue, and alfresco dining for up to 10 people. Since we're talking amenities, it's good to mention the private exercise room, sauna, steam room, satellite TV, and even the surround sound system equipped with villa-wide Wi-Fi to ensure that your European getaway does not compromise connectivity. The villa's exteriors reflect the culturally significant buildings of the Algarve, while its interiors envelop you in a modern color scheme of blues and silvers. With 4 large bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, this is the perfect listing for those looking to take luxury to the next level. You can book this stay for $2,916 a night. Overall, if you're looking for a destination that has a relatively slow and peaceful way of life, that allows for amazing sightseeing and other tourism, without the hustle and bustle of other countries, then Portugal is the place for you. This group of Airbnbs serve as the best places to stay in the whole country, so don't miss out. Pack your bags and get ready for the stay of a lifetime. Want to see more top Airbnbs around the world? Click on this video next.